Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about where clause basic, why we require to use where clause and what is where clause we are using in SQL statements. Where clause we'll use for to filtering data rows based on our condition, where it is available. We'll ask some questions like how humans are interacting between the two people, where it is available, and where the location, like we are questioning something, and based on our condition we'll get an answer. Similarly, where clause in SQL statement also prepared, like where we are asking to filtering the data rows based on to passing and a condition while writing in SQL statements. We'll see how it is going to be formed. Basic SQL statement using select is formed, that we have seen all our previous lectures also. In this lecture, basically I'm going to presenting you that statement, how it is going to be written. For an example, like select customer ID, first name, last name, like these are the columns based on the comma. And now here it is a from clause we'll use for where we are going to getting the data rows, which table we are going to be reading. From products, in this case, this example, it is in a from products. And now where the condition will follow, where when the condition of where clause if we used in to filter the data from the database table, we have to use the condition. Like we'll say, the select statement is used for reading and retrieving the data rows from the database table by specifying the criteria of from and where clauses. From table is required, whereas to filter the data rows based on our condition, where clause is required to attach over there. And the statement, it could be like select column and from table, it may be multiple tables, where the column 2 and we are passing the column name as well as for the data, which data row we are going to be filtering. Like a salary is greater than 10,000, I want to get the records. And below 10,000, salary is getting like a column name, if it is in a salary, like a salary is like a 10,000 above or below 10,000. At the if the retirement year, we are going to be checking above like a year, we are able to getting from the database column. Likewise, we'll use for where condition. All right. Now, the important SQL commands are where clause will write on after from clause of the select statement. It's strongly remember for beginners who are starting from the basic SQL. The condition to be specified with the select statement. When we are going to implementing select statement, and if we want to filter the data rows from the database table, where we'll use the where clause along with the condition it should require. The condition can be using logical operators and or. So those are very frequently we'll use for to writing where clause conditions. And operator symbols can be acceptable, like a preparing SQL statement. See, equal to operator, greater than, less than, and greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, not equal to, not. These all are we are going to frequently use to prepare for a where clause conditions. And are logical operators, very most useful operators, like logical operators by applying where condition. I hope you better understand about where clause usage in SQL statements. We'll see practical in our next lecture. We will see about how to apply while writing the SQL statements. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.